Hello world, my name is Shaun Ramudit. I am from Trinidad and Tobago, and this is my final project for CS50's Introduction to Programming with Python. Let's get started. We're first prompted to enter funds that we wish to spend. Should we enter any value other than a non-negative numeric value or a positive numeric value, we will be presented with an error message saying invalid entry and a re-prompt to enter a valid amount. After adding a random number, we are now presented with a list of options. Option 1 allows us to view all the watches, their corresponding IDs, and their corresponding prices. Option 2 allows us to add one of these watches to our cart based on the watch ID. Should we choose something or type in something that is not within the watch ID list in the table, we're going to be presented with an error message telling us it's an invalid watch ID and a re-prompt to add a proper watch ID. Now let's just go ahead and add a few to our cart here. And we can choose option 4 now to view our cart. Alright, as you can see here, we have the watch name, it's their corresponding IDs, and the cart total. Let's try to check out. We can't check out because our cart total is more than our available balance. So what are we going to do? We have two options. Option 3 allows us to remove a watch from our cart. Shall we try to type in something that is not in our cart, even if it's a valid watch ID from the table? We're going to get presented with an error message that the watch is not in the cart and a re-prompt to enter a correct value. Let's go ahead and remove watch ID 5. And let's choose option 4 to view our cart. And there we have an updated cart with the updated corresponding total. But we're still lacking some funds. So let's choose option 6 and add more funds. Again, should we choose anything or type in anything that is not a non-negative numeric value, we'll be presented with an error message and a re-prompt to add the correct value. Let's go ahead and add $2,500. Our funds have been added successfully and our new balance is what I think is enough to go through this checkout. So let's try to check out one more time with option 5. And there we go. We're all good. We have some watches available for collection. And now that we're so tired of shopping, let's exit with option 7. So that's all for now. Thank you for watching and thank you CS50.